When in reality he has a number more than me.
Okay. Well, just look at the size of the market. The market's projected to be $95 million within the next 10 years. So we're seeing a massive increase. If you look at month on month in terms of the number of predictions, it's grown massively month on month since last year, and the volume of predictions has increased as well. So it's in the hundreds of millions a month now, and if you look less than a year ago, it was in the hundreds of thousands. So we've seen a huge increase in terms of the volume and also the transactions.
The leader in this market, right, Poly Market, they did what, $1.6 billion worth of volume on just the Super Bowl, right? Just on that event, they did that level of volume this year, up from basically zero last year. And they've obviously had to grow their platform from 0 users organically up in that kind of trajectory. The thing that we thought so exciting about Galactic in this partnership is when you're starting with some of the biggest media houses in the world, that user acquisition journey is much faster. So the scope for accelerating the adoption of this industry and hitting those numbers Stuart was talking about, I mean, the next 5 years is going to see this industry increase by 50 times the kind of volume. So the opportunity there of getting there quickly by approaching media houses and the strategy that Stuart and Thomas have kind of come up with rolling the ecosystem out, that's what's going to be exciting, hopefully a small part of growth in the industry.
I think as well, when you look at how Poly market and various other prediction markets operate at the moment, it's not particularly user-friendly to Web 2 customers. And one of the key considerations we made when developing our platform is how do we make this seamless and easy for Web 2 customers? Because that's been one of the major issues with the whole Web 3 industry, is transferring people from Web 2 to Web 3. So at the core of our offering, we're not only looking after the Web 3 audiences, they're obviously going to be interested in a Web 3 prediction market. What we've done is we've tried to make it as seamless and simple for Web 2 customers to onboard. And a lot of the user experience is Web 2 focused. It feels like Web 2, it looks like Web 2, and that underlying technology is powering the whole platform. But the consumer doesn't really need to know that. It's not of huge advantage for them to know that. What we want to do is make sure they can onboard, they can use the platform, they enjoy the platform.
Thomas, tell us, because people might be thinking, how is this triple partnership actually going, right?
Yeah.
We've got Aventus, Galactic, which we're talking about with the prediction market, but also Blockchain Factory.
So actually everything is starting this way. Aventus is the company that builds blockchains. They already did it for major companies, Heathrow Airport, Vodafone. That's the company that built blockchain. Galactic is the media company that has the partnership with these big companies that has a lot of customers in their websites. And he's taking care of our Blockchain Factory. What they have is a community. We've been in crypto arena since 2013. We have a community of people that started mining crypto, buying, selling crypto, and then we start buying nodes, not doing the business of buying the nodes, mining the tokens, helping the community, decentralize the blockchain. So when Alan come to me with Galactic, I say, okay, so give me the opportunity to give it to my people. They give me the opportunity to give to my people, and we all participate here through the blockchain called True.
Because Alan, Truth Network is mainly created for products like Galactic, for prediction markets, or are you willing to bring more other stuff?
So the Truth Network is obviously run by the Truth Network Foundation. Aventus has been the tech partner in helping roll that out, right? That's typically our role in these partnerships. And the goal of the network, Galactic, was looking across the markets where to kind of put the blockchain traffic. Does it go on Ethereum? Does it go on one of the other blockchains? But as you're probably aware, the prediction market space, because people thought, is this gambling? Is it these other elements? The regulatory landscape takes quite a lot of diligence to make sure that this is compliant, it rolls out in the right way. So obviously there are a bunch of people in America that have already kind of gone down this path. I think Kalshi is probably the best example, having won their court cases with the CFTC to say this is legit, this is here to stay, this is not gambling, this is its own category, closest resembling kind of futures markets. So in selecting that blockchain partner then, the Truth Network's USP was really all around providing us compliant an ecosystem for prediction markets to be able to operate. So that's why it's based on Aventus technology. It's kind of an Aventus app chain, but it's got a bridge into Ethereum. So any assets from Ethereum can very quickly move into it. All of the prediction markets on the Galactic platform are in USDC, very compliant stablecoin, and it fundamentally, with the blockchain factory's involvement, it is so decentralized because it has so many different validator nodes, essentially the different computer programs run by all the different people, ensuring the kind of integrity of the network processing the transactions. It's so decentralized that you can trust the outcomes that come from the network. And that solves the biggest problem in prediction markets, which is what I was talking about before, right? These have not taken off because the incentives were skewed. Blockchain gives full transparency. The decentralized achieved by the blockchain factory and rolling out the truth network ensures that you get the actual results of the market. Who gets to say if it did rain tomorrow or not? When you've got 50,000 people agreeing on that, you're much closer to the truth. And that's why this network lends itself well to prediction markets, and I guess a bit more the role of each of the parties in making that happen.
I think one of the kind of unsung benefits of prediction markets is the data that comes in the back end. Prediction markets are incredible at providing data and insight for the future. And I think we're going to see more and more that data being used in key categories, whether it's insurance, legal, basically fundamentals in predicting outcomes. Because when you have a large number of people that come from a diverse population and they have to put their money where their mouth is, the results that you get are incredibly accurate.
I actually want to ask the